Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the just buy $1 worth of this coin token. Now I am not telling you to buy $1 worth of this coin or anything like that. That is just the name of the token, so just be aware of that right off the bat. Now ticker symbol is the number 1. This is a Solana meme coin, a brand new Solana meme coin. I believe this is already a community takeover as well. We're going to verify that in a second. It's trending number 21 on Dex Screener in the Solana section. And I just saw it trending in Dex Tools as well. It's not trending anymore, but it was. It's a very popular token today. We're going to go over the information on the just buy $1 worth of this coin token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So ticker symbol is just the number 1, very tiny ticker symbol. This token has been doing a little bit of marketing on Dex Screener today. They have the marketing boost button with the 50 lightning bolts there. So pretty long name for this token. It is just buy $1 worth of this coin. But this token is doing insanely well. They have a market cap right now of $25.6 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. They have 145,219 transactions just today, and their 24-hour trading volume is $37.4 million. This token is up 1,141% in the past 24 hours. It's basically green across the board. It's up in the past 5 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hours. They have $988,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium. And according to Dex Screener, 96.84% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price is 2.65 cents per token. And this token pair was actually just created 2 days, 4 hours ago. I saw it trending yesterday on Dex Screener as well. I'm not sure if the community takeover happened at that point or not. This token was created on pump.fun. You could tell because the contract address ends in pump. Right now they have 2,216 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 19,159,911 pooled dollar tokens. So yes, there is a community takeover. If you scroll down on Dex Screener all the way to the bottom, it says community takeover, a community claimed ownership for this token November 25th. So yesterday. So it says come and join the movement. Join the CTO. It says a dev created this $1 token to try to drive the price of the token to $1. At 1 million market cap, the dev sold his tokens and abused the community. This is from whoever wrote this community takeover claim on Dex Screener here. It says this is now a CTO project that is about to send this to $1 in a crypto movement for the people. Now just be aware, you never know what price this token will get to. Right now it's only 2.6 cents, so they got a long way to go to $1. I mean, anything's possible, but we'll see. So their Telegram, I mean, all these socials look like they've been updated here, because the Telegram is at $, DOLLAR, $CTO portal. And they have 2,372 Telegram subscribers. You could preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new token listings, partnerships, announcements, memes, etc. And then they have a Twitter. I'm going to put the link to the Twitter up in the corner of the screen here. You can also find the Telegram on this Twitter here. You can find the contract address on this Twitter here. So it says, CTO takeover, send this to $1. Community has been formed, and they have 10,900 tweets. But this is an older Twitter. It looks like they're January 2021. Their new Twitter is at $1 to $1. So, anyways, that's what it is there. You can see it. You can see it in the corner of the screen here. 6,863 Twitter followers. And yeah, it says Dev rugged us. I don't think people understand what rug means, because it's not really rugged, because the liquidity in Raydium is locked and burned, so that is untouchable. Rugging, I mean, for what I understand, is removing the entire liquidity pool. So the dev just sold their share of the tokens, which was who knows what amount, maybe 5% of the tokens. That's not a rug, that's just a person who created the token selling their own personal tokens. But, I mean, people call it whatever they want to call it. I mean, this guy, whoever this is speaking in broken English anyways. But it should say the dev sold his share of the tokens, creating a big dip, and then the community still liked the token, didn't sell their tokens, and then ate up the dip, and now the token's doing well. Should say something like that. But anyways, it says we sit at $20 million market cap, 30,000 holders, and 30 million 24-hour trading volume. And this was a tweet from 2 hours ago. Let's see how that's holding up here. So to go back, they have 35,420 holders right now, according to Dex Screener, 5 liquidity providers, and a $38 million 24-hour trading volume. So some things are better, some things are worse. Or no, they're all better. Everything's all better. So they're up basically 5 mil from their market cap 2 hours ago. So that's good. But yeah, anyways, this guy is mad, whoever this person is, on Twitter and Telegram, and making the Dex Screener community takeover claim. And he's, you know, saying some evil things about the dev, but maybe the dev deserves it. So this there's a tweet here, the retweet from ntm.ai, and that is New Token Market, and they're talking about how this token here is in the top 5 gainers today, so that's cool there. And also there's a couple other tokens I've done videos on, like Chill Guy. The Chill Guy's in there. And then I'm not sure what this other one is here, but I'll check those out in a second. But those are some top gainers today. And yeah, so I guess there's a tweet about a whale buying a bunch of these tokens. I'm going to put that up here, I guess. But if you wanted to get this token, it's pretty simple. All you need is a Soulflare or Phantom wallet. You can download that from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get an extension on your PC, a Chrome extension. Then you'd fund that wallet with Sol. You could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange. There is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. Fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on their Twitter, Telegram, or their official webpage, just buy $1 worth .site. You probably won't have to set slippage. You will have to pay a little bit of gas fees. This token could also be available on Jupiter, Meteora, and other dexes as well. But yeah, let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.